guys, this is the interactive flat panel and it is integrated with the computer, TV, whiteboard, projector and audio. So this product is suitable for the large and medium-sized high-tech enterprise, remote conference, training and education. And compared to the traditional projector, this interactive smart board, it is of high resolution for the better display, and also it supports to collaborate with the students and the teams by the action like writing and erase and zoom in and zoom out. So different functions. And with the help of the high definition camera and the sound array system, we can use this smart board for remote conference to make the meeting more efficiently. And what's more, the users could project their computer or mobile phone to the smart board for the multi-screen interaction and to transfer the file easily. And the written content could be shared to the mobile phone by scanning the generated QR code. Interested in getting more details about this product, just contact us.